Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. I want to show you our new backhoe attachment that is now being built. These are built by the same guy that builds our loaders. They're nice. They fit the Category 1 compact tractors that we sell. It's got 4 joysticks on it. The front two, these two right here, are for the stabilizer arms. Right here. These actually go down to keep the tractor from tipping over. The hydraulics, we basically put quick disconnects on, and it attaches right to the oil pump of the tractor. Okay, let me put this on pause to start up the tractor. Okay, here we go. This is on a Mitsubishi MTE2000. This normally has a seat on it. I took the seat off so that Jake's legs don't dangle and get smashed. So Jake's running the controllers. He's only done this for about 5 minutes now, so we'll see how he does. Okay, you've already got the arms up. Now put the arms down. Okay, there you go. Okay, dig a hole. Move it over here real easy. What? Move it this way and dump it. Move it towards me. Yeah, real easy. Don't go fast. Okay, that's good. Dump the bucket. Okay, take it back in that same hole and dig another hole. Okay, extend the arm out. With the left control, extend the arm out. Push the left one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, put it down with the right. The other way. Tilt the bucket a little bit. Other direction. There you go. Now bring it in with the left control. There you go. You know what? Dump it back in the same spot. Dump it out. Okay, there you go. I don't want to dig too many holes in our yard here. Okay, I shut it off so that you can hear what's going on here. It's pretty nice. We're in Southern California, and our dirt is granite. And right now we're in the garden, so we're not digging holes all over the place. This will dig in our yard. It's just it takes some time. But these will fit on 16 horsepower and higher tractor. Fits on the standard 3-point. You see right there. Same thing on the other side. Hooks onto the back of the tractor. Like I said, these hydraulic hoses just have quick disconnects on it that we tie into the same line that runs the rest of the tractor. Okay, I'm going to post this on our website under backhoes. Our website is ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.